In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly AI to create professional CV and resume headshots in just a few simple steps. First, log into Artistly AI and open the Portrait or AI Headshot Generation tool from the dashboard. This feature helps you create clean and professional-looking profile photos for resumes, LinkedIn, and business portfolios. Next, upload a clear photo of yourself or enter a detailed prompt like professional corporate headshot, clean background, formal attire, studio lighting, realistic style. The more specific your prompt is, the better your final result will look. After that, choose a professional style preset. Neutral backgrounds, soft lighting, and realistic details usually work best for resume headshots because they create a polished and trustworthy appearance. You can also adjust image quality, facial details, and lighting settings to match the style you want. If the first result isn't perfect, simply refine your prompt and generate another version. Once your headshot looks good, download the image in high quality and use it for your CV, LinkedIn profile, portfolio, or job applications. And that's how you can quickly create professional resume headshots using Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.